Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Social media is ablaze over Mowry filing for divorce from Cory Hardrict after 14 years of marriage. The shocking news was confirmed by TMZ, which noted that Mowry, 44, filed docs in Los Angeles on Tuesday citing irreconcilable differences as a reason for the end of her marriage to the All-American homecoming star 42. According to legal docs exclusively obtained by the outlet, Mowry didn't specify a date of separation but asked a judge for joint physical and legal custody of their two children, 11-year-old Cree and 4-year-old Cairo. She is also asking the judge to terminate the court's ability to give spousal support to either and notes that they have a prenup at TMZ. On Tuesday, the actress shared a post on her Insta story that read, "Letting go can be painful, but it won't hurt as much holding on to an illusion." She's since posted a lengthy message to her Instagram feed confirming her impending divorce. Naturally, Twitter spiraled into chaos over the unexpected divorce announcement on a day with several divorce announcements. For us, fans, pop culture commentators, and literally everyone else chimed in on the heartbreaking end of one of Black Hollywood's most lovable couples. There were even some Twitter users pointing at this video as the beginning of the end. The divorce announcement comes just a year after the couple shared the secret to their seemingly happy marriage. A lot of people, they ask Cory and I, like, what makes your marriage, a great marriage, Mowry said to the Hearts of People, the TV show. If I'm being really honest with you, and we have been dotting this for years, we don't focus on specific gender roles. Explaining her idea of what gender roles are, Mowry continued, meaning the woman should just do one thing and then the man should just do one thing. When it comes to what the couple thinks is a better approach to marriage life, the actress said, "It's a team effort at our house." Cory echoed Tia's sentiment, explaining how the Mowry Hardrict household runs. "We have got a loving household," Hardrict began. "We try to teach our kids if you have equality in the house, that can bleed over into the world, and that's what makes the world a better place." Do you think Tia and Cory are done for good? Tell us on below in the comment section. Thanks for listening and please don't forget to subscribe my channel.